Let's talk about an introduction to Java. What is Java? Java is OOP and Java is also platform independent because of JVM. It's secure, portable, simple and structured, widely used in enterprise system, right? What is the reason Java is called platform independent? We can run Java everywhere. That's why we say it is platform independent, right? Why Java can run everywhere? Java can run everywhere because of one special component. Java code does not run directly on Windows or Mac or Linux, right? Instead, we write a Java code .java, right? And Java compiler converts it to bytecode, right? Right. And then the JVM runs that bytecode on any operating system, right? Right. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine, right? So Java runs everywhere because every OS has its own JVM, right? The job of virtual machine. Java Virtual Machine is to execute Java bytecode by translating it into machine code for a specific operating system and hardware, enabling cross-platform compatibility, right? Now you already know that the JVM executes bytecode, then translates and runs the program, right? Let's move on to JRE and JDK, right? JRE is everything needed to run Java programs, which are JVM, libraries, etc., right? JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, right? JDK stands for Java Development Kit, right? What is the JDK? JDK is everything needed to write Java, right? JDK is everything needed to write Java programs, right? Which are JRE, compiler, dev tools, right? You can get the link from the description for downloading JDK, right? Also, I'll upload the link to download the IDE to run Java. I use IntelliJ. You should download the community version, otherwise you should pay for it, right? Let's move on to run our first program, right? First, you should click this icon and click New. After that, click Project, right? Now, enter the project name in the name input, right? I give it as example, right? And the location, you can choose any location, include this file, right? JDK version 23. I forget to update my JDK version, right? I have 23. You can download the latest version, right? And click create button. Right. This is our first program. Let's run it. Now you can see output as hello world, right? This is our first program. This is the main method, right? Public static void main mean it is the main method, right? What is the meaning of public, right? Public means anyone can access this method, right? Is the meaning of static. The static means we can run method without creating an object, right? This method hasn't any object, right? This is the statement, right? Void means the method returns nothing, right? It returns nothing. String square brackets args means the program can retrieve data from the command line, right? Answer to this question yourself.